Hello P4 students! Welcome to our science class. And for this week, we will learn Unit 1, Lesson B. What are the states of matter? So, are you ready? Let's get started. In this lesson, we will recognize that solid, liquid, and gas are three states of matter. For our vocabulary, here are the new words that you are going to learn for this lesson. Solid, liquid, gas, definite shape, definite volume, compressed, pour, and flows. So take your time to check their meanings in your dictionary if you have at home, or you can Google it in Cambridge Dictionary online. So to start our lesson, solid, liquid, and gas are three states of matter. In what ways are solids, liquids, and gases similar and different? Let us compare their properties. Here is a goldfish in the picture, and it is inside the fish bowl with the water, of course. So the goldfish is a solid, air around is made up of different gases, and water is a liquid. So what is a solid? A solid has a fixed, definite shape. It cannot flow. Let's look at the pictures here. A chair, a table, and a closet. To change the shape of a solid, we have to use a force such as heating or squashing. Look at the plate after it is being hit. It is broken into pieces. What about the water bottle? It looks like this after it's being squashed. Does a solid have a definite volume? Try pressing a brick. Does it become smaller or occupy less space? The brick does not occupy less space when we press it. Its volume does not change. A solid has a fixed or definite volume. It cannot be compressed. What about liquid? What properties does a liquid have? When we pour water into different containers, it flows to take the shape of each container. Let's try to look at these three pictures. A liquid has no definite shape. It flows to take the shape of each container, and it can flow. Does a liquid have a definite volume? The volume of the liquid remains the same even though it is poured into another container. A liquid has a definite volume and it cannot be compressed. Fill a syringe with a liquid. Cover the nozzle and try pushing the plunger. Can the plunger be pushed in? The plunger cannot be pushed in. So therefore, the volume of the liquid does not change. A liquid has a definite volume and it cannot be compressed. What about gas? These balloons are filled with a gas. Let's look at the examples here. Rounded balloons, a heart-shaped balloon, and a star-shaped balloon. Does the gas take the shape of each balloon? Yes. The gas flows to take the shape of each balloon. A gas has no definite shape and it can flow. Here are more examples of balloons. See? Does the gas have a definite volume? Try pushing the plunger of a syringe filled with air. Can the plunger be pushed in? Release the plunger. What happens to the volume of the air in the syringe? When we push the plunger, the air is compressed to occupy less space. When we release the plunger, the air spreads out to fill a bigger space. So therefore, a gas has no definite volume. It can be compressed and it can also spread out. Going further, models can be used to represent ideas or things. Scientists explain the difference in properties between solids, liquids, and gases using the particle model. Matter is made up of very tiny bits called particles. The particles in solids, liquids, and gases are different in the ways they move and how they are arranged. Let's try to see them. Particles in a solid. The particles are close together in fixed positions. They move to and fro in their fixed positions. For a liquid, the particles are close together but do not have fixed positions. They can move around each other. And for gas, the particles are far apart and do not have fixed positions. They move quickly in all directions. And the table compares the properties of solids, liquids, and gases. So let's try to see the table below. Does it have a definite shape? For solids, yes. But for liquids and gases, no. Can it flow? For solids, no. For liquids and gases, yes. Does it have a definite volume? For solids and liquids, yes. But for gases, no. Can it be compressed? For solids and liquids, no. But for gases, yes. Okay, so what have you learned? We learned that solids, liquids, and gases are three states of matter. So thank you and happy learning P4 students. See you at our Zoom time, and Ms. Ida will be showing some experiments for you to learn more about the three states of matter. So take care and God bless always. Bye bye P4.